What is your view on this? Whether the peace talks should continue or in what way?
I think I'll have to recuse myself from that. Where the peace talks are concerned, it is a decision which the government has made very clear that they are very open to peace talks. As the DGP of the state, yes, we have seen Hnlc, we have faced them. Yes, we have also seen peace talks with the ANDC and which ended with a tripartite agreement. We've also seen the problems of implementing that agreement. We've also dealt with GNLA and we didn't have any kind of peace talks with GNLA and a number of other small other groups. So where Hnlc is concerned and peace talks is concerned, I think the right person to talk to would be the government in this case.
But what about we have seen in the recent past there were like so many demand notes by the